Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss the basic command in TCL. TCL, which is a tool command language, its extension is .tcl. The puts is the basic command to print a message over the standard output device. The default standard output device is monitor. If we want to put a single word over the monitor, we need to write the puts. But if you want to print more than one word, it must be grouped. Grouping is done by means of the double quote or curly braces. I have opened the console window of the Wish compiler. In order to demonstrate, simply write hello, puts hello. Since it is a single word, grouping is not required, it will display the output hello. In order to demonstrate hello world, since it is a more than one word, it must be grouped. The grouping is done by means of, I have done here the curly braces. I will print a message hello world. Another method of grouping is double quote. If I am going to write the double quote, we can apply again. I will get the output, similar output of curly braces. The basic difference between the curly braces and double quote is double quote allow the substitution, but curly braces do not allow substitution. Here I am going to write demonstrate here the curly braces double quote. I am going to write backslash n say here the it is going to print the output. It is going to print the output over the two different line hello world. But if I am going to write the same big thing by curly braces, since curly braces it is not allowing to the substitution, it will display the same message whatever we have written over the screen. So we will get the hello backslash n world. Another two basic commands are set. Set is used to assign a constant value to variable. Suppose if I want to assign some constant number integer to the some variable or character, we can use here the set command. And variable substitution, any character followed by the dollar, it should use to substitute the particular variable. Take some example over the console. Here I am going to write the set. I am going to write set a 22. Here the 22 value has been assigned to the character a. If I am going to write set b 32, the character 32 has been assigned to the b. Now if I am going to write set b set ca, in this case the a is treated as integer which is going to assign to a value. In this case the value of a22 not going to substitute. In order to substitute the value, we need to type here dollar. I am going to write set c dollar. Now c will assign to the value a, that is called 22. So in this case the dollar symbol that used to substitute the variable to the some new variable value. Similarly, if I am going to write set d dollar b, so in this case the constant value assigned with variable b, that was the 32, it will assign to the now d. Now d will get a value of 32. Thank you.